According to Outkick, Renee Young is leaving WWE. She gave the company her notice a week ago and she plans on exiting. There is no word at this time when her final date will be. PW Insider has confirmed this report. There were rumors a few weeks back that there may have been some unhappiness from Young and husband Jon Moxley after she tested positive for COVID-19, and WWE officials didn't call to check up on her. Young has drawn interest from mainstream media companies, and there was talk just a couple of years ago about ESPN wanting to sign her. Young is one of the most well-liked people in WWE, and she has been praised by fans for being one of the best interviewers in many years, despite the scripted nature of the WWE shows. WWE is holding a much different version of Friday Night SmackDown this week. This will continue for all future Amway Center shows. The Thunderdome will be a much different virtual fan experience, but registration is already closed. Fans who sign up for the WWE Thunderdome early got a look at the rules for the new virtual experience. After signing up, fans are now met with message saying that all of the spots have been filled. Vince McMahon is very confident that the Thunderdome will bring the company back to the viewership numbers they had prior to the pandemic. Goldberg was enjoying his time away from pro wrestling, and then WWE called him for a return. It's unclear how much AEW was part of those conversations, but the Elite were rumored to have had planned for him as well. He hasn't wrestled since WrestleMania 36, but Goldberg is still under contract with WWE. This prohibits him from making any jump to AEW like some fans have fantasy booked. While recently speaking to the Pop Culture Show, Goldberg confirmed that he is under WWE contract for another 2 years. This likely means he signed a 3-year deal under his last contract. He really wanted that match against Roman Reigns. Goldberg also drew special focus to the Spear vs. Spear dynamic. We will have to see if that's possibility down the line. It didn't happen at WrestleMania 36, but it's still a match that could draw real money. Goldberg didn't confirm that he will be back in the ring, but it takes him a few months to get prepared. Vince McMahon can definitely call him for the next 2 years if he needs Goldberg's boost.